All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this sheet that you see right here. This is our graph sheet. But first of all, before we get down to the graph, we're going to look right here at this circle, and it kind of resembles a clock. And if you've ever seen an analog clock, you've probably seen something that looks similar to this. And at the top, there's a 12, and at the bottom, there's a 6. And you're thinking, okay, I understand this. Yep, I've seen an analog clock just like this. Well, in the middle, I want you to put a circle like this and write the word sun, like that. So the sun is in the middle, and the earth goes around. But what's weird is normally a clock will click around clockwise, like this. Spins around 6 to 7 to 8 to 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. That's what we're used to seeing. But the earth spins counterclockwise in the opposite direction around the earth. So counterclockwise is the direction the earth is going around the sun. Counterclockwise. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some months in here. This is December 21st, which you know is our winter solstice from class. That's the darkest day of the year. In fact, we only get 8 hours and 25 minutes of daylight on that day here in Spokane. It's a dark day. Then if you go down to the bottom here, when the earth goes all the way around the sun is on the opposite side, this is our June 21st place, which we call summer solstice. And this is where we are when we get 16 hours of daylight. 16 hours, almost twice as much. Well, if we have twice as much daylight, we probably have twice as much heat in our temperatures. Those are our two solstices. Then over here, we're going to put a 3. And over here, we're going to put a 9, opposite of our normal clock. Because this is where we have our two what we call equinoxes. This is the spring equinox, and this is the fall equinox right here. 12 hours of light on this day and 12 hours of light on this day. Now, from December, I go to number 1, which is January. 2 is February. 3 is March. 4 is April. 5 is May. June. 7, July. 8, August. 9, September. 10, October. Halloween. 11, November. Turkey Day. The earth goes all the way around the sun, and those are each places that we are for those months. And when we look at this thing, we can actually just draw straight down like this, and straight down like this, and straight over like this, and straight over like this, because this divides our seasons. Right here, I'm going to put a little mitten, because we are in winter. Then the spring hits, and we get flowers. And then we come over here, we're in the sunshine, so we're in summertime. Yay, summertime with my sunglasses on. And then over here, we're in fall. That's where we get our nice big pumpkins. Oh yeah, get those big pumpkins. Fall. Those are our seasons as a seasons clock. Right there.